I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're really looking to send money using Xfinity Mobile, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Xfinity Mobile app. Launch the Xfinity Mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once in the app, find the Payments section. This is usually located in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Select Send Money. In the Payments section, look for the option to send money. Tap on it to proceed to the next screen. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's information, including their phone number or email address. Double-check the details to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Voucher. If you accidentally enter the wrong email, the money may go to someone else, so always double-check. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. And that's it. You've successfully sent money using Xfinity Mobile. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy transferring.